Welcome to Trading Lounge and the Bitcoin for the 11th of November. This is the weekly chart here for Bitcoin, and as you can see I'm bullish, but of course I can be wrong, so you'll need to manage your risk. So on the Elliott wave count, we're looking at wave 1 here and 2 here, then 1 and 2, and then 1 and 2 here, and we're looking up for wave 3 here, 4 and 5 and so on. So between wave 2 and wave 3 here we're looking for 5 waves. So I'm thinking that, and we'll break this down, that we'll be heading up around this area with a pullback and then moving up higher from that point there. So let's have a look at this on the daily chart. So picking it up from blue wave 2 here, as you know, it's a pretty standard issue for Elliott counts. There's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here for wave 1. ABC for wave 2, which is a bit shallow, which is same over here, it was a bit shallow. So we may end up getting a shallow one over here as well for wave 2. So we'll just be a little bit mindful of that. So from wave 2 here, we're going up to intermediate wave 3. In that first we've got we're going up to minor wave 1, so we've got minute 1, 2, 3 and 4, and going up for wave 5 here. So we need to count between 4 and 5 in this area here, looking for 5 waves. So in here 1 and 2 here, nice strong third wave, a fourth wave here, and then once that's completed, which I think it is actually, and then we'll push up for wave 5 here. So let's move into our 4-hour chart here. Now, as you may know, I'm not trading this. These green lines here have been trades that, another one here, and we've been moving the stop up through at this point here. We wanted to leave the stop out of the way for this pullback for wave 4 here, so that's all good. And we can have this target up here at 1650. Now, these lines on the chart here are what I call trading levels. It's just my little sort of idea, but essentially it's using the Fibonacci golden mean golden ratio as a price ratio coming up the side up through here. I won't go into it too much, but the orange lines are major levels and the grey lines are medium levels, and then we'll go down to minor levels and sub levels and micro levels, but we can do that later. But the important thing here is that we're on a medium level here at the moment, the 15,000, and the 1650 is the next medium level. A bit of an unusual number. It's just halfway between 13 and 22 major levels. And also we've got 18 in here as well, so that's a minor level. And yeah, we normally call that a profit taking number, so we can expect the bids to be hit at that particular point there in time. As you may know, I've just been dollar cost averaging, so I've bought in Australian dollars, $1,000 here, another 1,000 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,000 dollars, and I'll buy another 1,000 lot tomorrow. But I did buy the other day I bought 10,000 Australian dollars here and 10,000 Australian dollars here for the Bitcoin. So that brings me total now to 27,000. So I just wanted to sort of build this in because of, you know, I mean, I was making money, but not really enough. So, but look, now I've got 1 Bitcoin. So I'm the proud owner of 1 Bitcoin. Exciting stuff. Anyway, I'll probably look to add a few more lots of 10 along the way. But yeah, so anyway, back on to, and I'm not selling my Bitcoin, you know, I'll go for the roller coaster. This is, you know, 5 to 10 year investment, depending on where it goes to. But from blue wave 4 here, we're looking up to blue wave 5 here, and we're looking at wave 1 and 2 here and 3 here, and we called wave 4 low in here last time. So we're looking for wave 3 to move up to the 1650 area and have a little correction and then create that first high above the level, and then we should see some sort of larger correction come into play here. But as always, just one step at a time. And let's have a look at this on the on the intraday. So pick that up on the tick chart. So I just use 100 ticks rather than going to 15 minutes and so on. So I'll just see if a week's enough. Okay, so last time we spoke, I think we were down here, we were here somewhere, I can't recall exactly, but not that it matters. I think, like, the important, I might not have this right, but we've got wave 3 here with an A and a B and a C wave here, right? So then in the blue wave here, I can count 1 and 2 here. Right, and then all the way up for blue wave 3 here, an A and a B and a C here for wave 4, and then up for wave 5. Now, it's not a very good looking wave 5, and you could probably come up and say, well, Pete, that looks like it's in 3 waves. But pulling the next trend apart here, here I can look at this as an A wave and a B wave, and then 5 waves down here for 1 and 2 and 5 here for 3, 4 and 5. So even though this is not perfect here, I'm quite comfortable with this as an ABC correction, and I'm reasonably comfortable with the move up through here. I don't really see any problem with it. I've accounted for all the waves. So I guess what I'm saying is that we've got wave 1 up here and then back for wave 2 here. So from this wave 2, we're looking to go up to wave 3. That will take us to the next level, 1650 area. And we'll look for 5 waves in that. So can I move that? I'll just copy that there. So we've got wave 1 here with an A and a B and a C wave down here. And then this doesn't count very nicely as wave 1 either, but I'm going to take it as that. So we'll just fill in the dots here. 3, 4, and come on, give me that one, 5. So we should see wave 3 come up to around the 16,000. Don't throw tomatoes at me if it's not correct. I'm just going into the guessing game, and oops, we want to leave that there. So copy that for wave 4 and wave 5 up here. So we're looking for wave 5 to make wave 3 in this instance, and then we're looking for wave 4 and then wave 5. So we may end up going higher here, but the thing is we'll just count the waves, and when the waves finish, well, then that's where it is, you know. So that's all good. Could I have this wrong here? Well, the takeaway is that I'm quite confident here this is in 3 waves, so it makes all of this, whatever happens here, corrective. It still might be an A wave here and then an A and a B and a C to here for a bigger B wave and down for a C wave, or even a triangle, and that's what I've got this little E here for. But it's kind of looking good, so I'll just have no reason to change the count from this being wave 4 at this stage. This is unfolded okay, that's okay, these are okay. If you know the trading levels a little bit, between every 1,000 points or every 100 points, depending on what you're looking at, 15 to 16 here, we've got the sub levels, so we've got 1, 2 and 3 here. So normally when we get a nice tested support on here after we've been through the middle over here, then we should push up there, and we'll go up to the next point here is the 500. 5 is the second strongest number after 1. So we should see a little dance across here and then find support and then kick up into what I call group 2, which is 65, which is 15,650, 72, which is 15,720 in there somewhere, and then number 8 here, the 8, 65, 72 and 80, and we always call 8 a profit-taking number, so we'll definitely see some sort of correction. Well, you could see it over here. You know, but this time around, you know, it's taken the wind out of the bag, so to speak. So it won't give us that much grief. I mean, it's hit it here. You know, it's done the damage there, so it won't be as severe over here, and we should continue to climb at this particular point here. So, yeah, look, that's that. Didn't pull back down into this space here for that, but that's okay. Close enough. Yeah, so a bit of a scraggly old 5-wave structure here. You could probably look at that differently as well. but we'll just leave it like that for the time being. Anyway, if we get support on the 1550 here, on the 15,500, sorry, a nice tested support, because that's really been the resistance area here with the supply. So gaining a support, gleaning a support on that 500 there with the classic trading levels pattern, the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, ABC pattern, you know, the drill, this pattern here. So if that's 15,500, we'll see, we basically want to see it sit on the level. It'll just go through its motions here of, you know, profit taking, and then this normally is a little fifth wave, and that will be on lower volume, so it'll roll over, and then the buys will come back in on, you know, value buys will come back in, and so on, the old story, you know. So we'll just see if that plays out. We'll see how we go at that point. Okay, that's a bit long-winded, but just really wanted to talk about this fourth wave here and sort of where we are. So look, something else may come out of the gate over here for this, but it will still be a corrective. It'll still be part of a corrective pattern. Otherwise, we're just going to be heading higher. So hold on to your hats, ladies and gentlemen. We're going high. Cheers. Bye.